Let's get your official electronic signature ready to go in under 90 seconds with Signnow. First, log into your Signnow account and click on your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select My Signature. This is where you'll manage your electronic signature. You'll now see options to create your signature. Signnow offers a few easy ways to do this. Let's explore them. The simplest method is to type your name. Just enter your name into the provided field, and Signnow will generate a professional-looking signature for you. Prefer a more personal touch? Choose Draw Your Signature, and use your mouse or a stylus to draw your signature directly on the screen. If you already have a signature image saved, like a scanned version from paper, you can upload it here. Click the Upload button and select your signature file. Once you've created or uploaded your signature, you'll see a preview. Make sure it looks exactly how you want it. Then, click the Save or Update Signature button to finalize your changes. And that's it. Your signature is now set up and ready to use. You can easily drag and drop it onto any document you need to sign. This ensures your document processing is both professional and incredibly fast. Happy signing!